Welcome to the Nature TTL YouTube channel. Whether you're an experienced photographer or someone who just loves shooting dramatic sunsets, this is the channel for you. We've pulled together a team of educators and photographers who are amongst the best in the world to bring you really in-depth tutorials, gear reviews, behind-the-scenes features for macro, wildlife and landscape photography. Nature TTL has been providing free tutorials to thousands of photographers every single day since 2014, and now we're going to do the same for video. But this channel is not just going to show you what shutter speed is or what ISO means, but we're going to show you how to capture that magical morning mist or even a shot of a falcon coming down, talons out, ready to strike its prey. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join a channel that will show you how to master your camera and improve your photos like no other.